In a world of high-tech warfare, one sound can change the entire course of a battle, the rhythmic, earth-shaking thud of rotor blades. From the silent, lethal shadows of special operations to the heavy-lift monsters capable of moving an entire army, these aren't just transport vehicles, they are the ultimate apex predators of the sky. In this countdown, we're ranking the top 11 combat helicopters that define U.S. military air superiority in 2026. Number 11. MQ-8C Fire Scout. The MQ-8C Fire Scout is a cutting-edge, unmanned autonomous helicopter that first reached initial operational capability in 2019, carrying a unit cost of approximately $15 million. Engineered for the U.S. Navy using a modified Bell 407 airframe, it reaches a max speed of 160 miles per hour and an impressive max range of 1,227 nautical miles, with a service ceiling of 20,000 feet to accommodate a remote crew of 0 on board, controlled by operators via a ground station. Its lethal armament can include 70mm APKWS laser-guided rockets, though its primary role is high-endurance surveillance. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use on littoral combat ships (LCS) for over-the-horizon targeting and maritime reconnaissance. Moving into 2026, modern upgrades include the integration of anti-submarine sonobuoy dispensers and enhanced MUM-T capabilities for seamless data sharing with the manned MH-60R Seahawk fleet. Number 10. UH-1Y Venom. The Bell UH-1Y Venom is a versatile utility and light attack platform that first deployed in 2008, carrying a unit cost of approximately $30 million. Engineered for the U.S. Marine Corps, it reaches a max speed of 198 miles per hour and a max range of 300 nautical miles, with a service ceiling exceeding 20,000 feet to accommodate a crew of 4. Its lethal armament includes 70mm APKWS laser-guided rockets, M134 miniguns, and GAU 21.50 cal machine guns. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use in Afghanistan and Iraq as the primary utility workhorse for Marine Expeditionary Units (MEUs). This machine dominates modern warfare through its 84% parts commonality with the AH-1Z Viper, allowing for a simplified high-tempo logistics chain in remote combat zones. Moving into 2026, modern upgrades include the Spine program for enhanced airframe strength, Link 16 networking, and MUM-T for seamless drone coordination. Number 9. AH-64D Apache Longbow. The AH-64D Apache Longbow is a premier tandem-seat attack helicopter that first reached delivery in 1997, carrying a unit cost of approximately $33 million to $52 million. Engineered for the U.S. Army, it reaches a max speed of 184 miles per hour and a max range of 260 nautical miles, with a service ceiling of 20,000 feet to accommodate a crew of 2, pilot and co-pilot gunner. Its lethal armament includes a 30mm M230 chain gun, JAGM 114L Longbow Hellfire missiles, and Hydra 70mm rockets. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use in Operation Iraqi Freedom and Operation Enduring Freedom as a dominant tank killer. Moving into 2026, modern upgrades focus on remanufacturing existing Delta airframes into the AH-64E Guardian standard, integrating enhanced drivetrains and advanced digital networking to maintain its frontline lethality. Number 8. MH-60R Seahawk. The MH-60R Seahawk, colloquially known as the Romeo, is a premier maritime naval strike helicopter that first deployed in 2006, carrying a unit cost of approximately $43 million. Engineered for the U.S. Navy, it reaches a max speed of 180 miles per hour and a max range of 245 nautical miles, with a service ceiling of 12,000 feet to accommodate a crew of 3 to 4. Its lethal armament includes AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, Mark 54 lightweight torpedoes, and GAU 21.50 cal machine guns. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use in carrier strike groups across the Pacific and Middle East for anti-submarine and surface warfare. Moving into 2026, modern upgrades include the Midlife Upgrade, MLU, integrating advanced digital sensors and MQ-8C Fire Scout capabilities for controlling MQ-8C Fire Scout drones.
Number 7. AH-6M Little Bird. The AH-6M Little Bird is a specialized light attack and reconnaissance platform that first entered its modern Mission-Enhanced Little Bird, or MELB, configuration in the early 2000s, carrying a unit cost of approximately $2 million to $5 million. Engineered for the U.S. Army's 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment, it reaches a max speed of 175 miles per hour and a max range of 235 nautical miles with a service ceiling of 18,700 feet to accommodate a crew of 2 pilots. Its lethal armament includes M134 miniguns, GAU 1950 cal Gatling guns, and Hydra 70mm rockets. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use in urban environments like Mogadishu and during Operation Iraqi Freedom for precision close air support. Moving into 2026, modern upgrades include the Block 3 Modernization Program, which introduces a new 6-blade main rotor and an all-glass digital cockpit to enhance lift and situational awareness in high-threat urban environments. Number 6. MH-60L Direct Action Penetrator. The MH-60L Direct Action Penetrator is a specialized gunship configuration of the Black Hawk that first entered service in the 1990s with a unit cost of approximately $16 million to $25 million depending on the mission suite. Engineered for the U.S. Army's 160th Special Operations Aviation Regiment, or Night Stalkers, it reaches a max speed of 184 miles per hour and a max range of 300 nautical miles, with a service ceiling of 19,000 feet to accommodate a crew of 2 to 3. Its lethal armament includes a 30mm M230 chain gun, Hydra 70mm rockets, and AGM-114 Hellfire missiles. Historically, the DAP saw legendary operational use in the Battle of Mogadishu and recently provided critical fire support during Operation Absolute Resolve in 2026. This machine dominates modern warfare by providing organic, heavy-hitting close air support for special operations teams in urban environments where larger attack helicopters cannot easily maneuver. Number 5. UH-60M Blackhawk. The UH-60M Blackhawk is the premier utility platform for the U.S. Army, representing the most advanced iteration of the iconic H-60 series since its 2006 introduction, with a unit cost of approximately $21 million. Engineered for multi-mission versatility, it reaches a max speed of 183 miles per hour and a max range of 320 nautical miles, with a service ceiling of 19,000 feet to accommodate a crew of 4 plus 11 combat-ready troops. Its lethal armament includes 2 M134 miniguns or M60 machine guns for self-defense. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use in Operation Iraqi Freedom and recent peacekeeping missions across the Middle East. Moving into 2026, modern upgrades include the Improved Turbine Engine Program, or ITAP, for greater lift and high altitudes, and the integration of the Matrix Autonomy Suite for optionally piloted flight. Number 4. CH-53K King Stallion. The CH-53K King Stallion is the most powerful heavy-lift platform ever built for the U.S. military, having reached initial operational capability in 2022 with a unit cost of approximately $118 million. Engineered for the U.S. Marine Corps, it reaches a max speed of 196 miles per hour and a max range of 460 nautical miles, with a service ceiling of 16,000 feet to accommodate a crew of 4 plus 37 combat troops. Its lethal armament includes 3 GAU 21.50 cal machine guns for defensive fire. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use during heavy equipment transport missions for Marine expeditionary units in the Indo-Pacific. This machine dominates modern warfare through its triple lift capability, allowing it to carry a 27,000-pound external load over 110 nautical miles in high-altitude, high-heat environments where other helicopters fail.
Number 3. CV-22B Osprey, Special Operations Variant. The CV-22B Osprey is a premier tilt-rotor platform that first reached initial operational capability in 2009, carrying a unit cost of approximately $90 million. Engineered for the U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command, it reaches a max speed of 322 miles per hour and a max range of 860 nautical miles, with a service ceiling of 25,000 feet to accommodate a crew of 4 and 24 special operators. Its lethal armament includes a ramp-mounted GAU 21.50 caliber machine gun. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use in high-stakes hostage rescues and long-range infiltrations across Africa. This machine dominates modern warfare by combining the vertical takeoff agility of a helicopter with the high-speed, long-range cruise of a fixed-wing aircraft. Moving into 2026, modern upgrades focus on the nacelle improvement program and advanced electronic warfare suites to ensure survivability in contested environments. Number 2. AH-1Z Viper. The AH-1Z Viper is a premier attack helicopter that first reached initial operational capability in 2010, carrying a unit cost of approximately $31 million. Engineered for the U.S. Marine Corps, it reaches a max speed of 230 miles per hour and a max range of 310 nautical miles, with a service ceiling of 20,000 feet to accommodate a crew of 2, pilot and co-pilot punter. Its lethal armament includes a 20mm M197 3-barrel cannon, AGM-114 Hellfire missiles, and AIM-9 sidewinders for air-to-air combat. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use in Operation Iraqi Freedom and recent maritime security operations. This machine dominates modern warfare through its marinized design, allowing it to operate from amphibious ships in extreme salt spray environments where other attack helicopters struggle. Moving into 2026, modern upgrades focus on Link 16 integration and the Joint Air-to-Ground Missile, JAGM, for precision strikes against moving maritime and land targets.
Number 1. AH-64E Apache Guardian. The AH-64E Apache Guardian is the world's most advanced attack helicopter, entering service in 2011 with a unit cost of approximately $35 million to $65 million. Engineered for the U.S. Army, it reaches a max speed of 184 miles per hour and a max range of 260 nautical miles, with a service ceiling of 20,000 feet to accommodate a crew of 2. Its lethal armament includes a 30mm M230 chain gun, AGM-114R Hellfire missiles, and the latest Joint Air-to-Ground missiles, JAGM. This machine dominates modern warfare through its Longbow fire control radar, which can track 256 targets simultaneously in all weather conditions. Historically, it has seen extensive operational use in Operation Enduring Freedom and Operation Inherent Resolve. Moving into 2026, modern upgrades include the version 6.5 software suite, integrating manned-unmanned teaming, MUM-T, to control drone swarms, and enhanced AI-driven targeting to maintain its absolute battlefield supremacy. From the stealthy Fire Scout to the powerhouse Apache Guardian, these machines define modern air superiority. Which of these legends is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into military technology. Thanks for watching Deeper Analysis.